Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate the steps of launching SDC Verifier and new project details completion. As you can see, SDC Verifier has already been launched. To create a project, in File section, click on New. A new project window appeared, and moving on to Project Details, the number of the project and its relevant name need to be filled in. We can also add the description of the project. For the first run, the engineer details like a name of a person, also company's name, and the rest of the fields can be filled in. Then, by pressing this button, the details are saved to the library. Press OK. But for future projects, pressing Library button, the saved details can be loaded. Press OK. You can load a relevant logo to the library as well. The same logic as in Engineer Details refers to Customer Details section. Press OK again. New project in SDC Verifier is ready to be created, so press OK. In Module 3, we can see sections like Views, Model, Recognition, Jobs, Tools, Post-processing, Optimizations and Reports. In Ribbon, there are sections like File, Home, Geometry, Mesh, Settings, Recognition, Tools, Available Standards, and Help. The functionality of our software is pretty extensive, so the sections mentioned before will be reviewed in details in the upcoming videos. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So, go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. To check our tutorials, go to Resources, Learn SDC Verifier Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Also, follow us on social media to receive updates first while keeping up with us. All necessary links are pinned in the comment section to this video.